We've all had those nights where you get home late, you're starving, and the absolute last thing you want to do is wait 20 minutes for a traditional oven to preheat just to cook a handful of frozen fries or chicken nuggets. That is exactly why the Ninja XL air fryer has become an absolute staple on kitchen counters. It's designed for the reality of busy weeknights when you want great food and you want it fast. Don't let the sleek gray exterior fool you. This machine is a powerhouse. With 1,750 watts of power and a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks food up to 30% faster than a conventional oven, using up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. The 5.5-quart XL capacity is the sweet spot for families or anyone who loves to meal prep. It can comfortably fit a full 3 pounds of chicken wings or French fries without you having to cook in endless, tiny batches. What makes it a true lifesaver, though, is its versatility. It's a 5-in-1 machine, meaning it doesn't just air fry. You can roast a whole chicken, bake a small batch of cookies, dehydrate fruits for snacks, or use the absolute best function, reheat. If you've ever tried to microwave leftover pizza and ended up with a soggy mess, reheating it in this air fryer will change your life. It tastes exactly like it was freshly delivered. When you're done, the basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes all of 2 seconds. Click the link above to check the latest price and upgrade your weeknight dinners.